Hello everyone, I'm Mo and I have lost over 140 pounds by just eating right, and I did it in under 6 months. And I've also helped hundreds of people the past couple of years transform their lives just like mine. And if you're serious about a sustainable weight loss and you're ready for real results, stay with me. Click that subscribe button. I'm going to break down exactly what you need to know. And in this video today, we're going to talk about keto for beginners. And it's the simple guide to starting your weight loss journey and to hopefully keep you on track for the long run. Let's get right into it. So I want to introduce what keto lifestyle is in terms for just beginners. And everybody's a beginner, even if you know some basic information. Always consider yourself a beginner, and I do that consistently to always learn as new information does come out. Now, the keto lifestyle is by switching your body's consumables from consuming 4, 5, 6 meals a day, as many cultures do right now, to turning it to 1 or 2 meals, and if you have to, you could even do 3 meals if required. And if your goal is to only have weight loss, then your goal is to do 1 or 2 meals a day by cutting the carbs, the sugars, and the bad processed items that we are currently sold every day in every grocery store. Through this, you're going to need to learn how to read the labels in the back and what items will actually help your body rather than hinder and hurt your body. The keto lifestyle is about adapting to having higher fats that are healthy, clean fats, and lowering the carb intake and the processed food intake. And if you do that long enough, you will guaranteed lose the weight you're looking for, but you will feel better, you'll get better quality sleep, and many of the things, like I was anxious a while back, I was depressed, I was even suicidal in some cases, and that all got fixed by eating right. And some could say that I lost the weight, which entail fixed those issues, but even then, nowadays, if I break and I eat bad for a bit, I get those feelings back. So it's really nice knowing that when my hormones are balanced, all those problems are going away. And there are many studies, I'll link some below as well, that show you that the microbiome controls your brain. So your gut health is just as important as your brain health. If your gut health is not good, you will have problems within the brain. And don't be mad at yourself or hate yourself or chase doctors for pills. You should instead figure out what you're consuming that is causing these issues. And I want to get you guys started to understand what the keto lifestyle's basics function is. If you look at the food pyramid, the goal is to actually flip that thing upside down and to have the fats on top and the fats on the bottom, and you consume a lot of those healthy, clean fats. You minimize your protein intake and you cancel and remove all processed carbohydrate intake. Now, many people think this is crazy, I cannot not eat carbs. Well, you're still eating good carbs, just not bad ones. For example, I consume a lot of cauliflower rice. I love it now. It is freaking delicious. I get my little rice intake from that. We made sushi and we used cauliflower rice, and I still get the benefits of sushi without all the poisonous effects. We even make our own garlic bread that uses almond flour rather than regular flour, so my spiked insulin levels are so much lower, and I stay in ketosis using this tester to always show me my immediate numbers. I do believe that anybody can easily do this. And I've watched hundreds of clients who were in much worse positions, or even some that were not in worse positions than me, actually lose the weight and heal themselves over time. So I know you can too. Some of the most common mistakes I have noticed in doing this, many people do not consume a higher amount of clean salt when they start this lifestyle. Now, what you need to do is get Celtic sea salt or pink Himalayan salt, as they don't have any preservatives or additives and they haven't been processed to hell by the damn food manufacturing companies. And once you do that, you're still going to get the taste of delicious salt, but on top of that, you're going to be giving your body the minerals that it does need. And many other people do the trick of getting electrolyte powders. I do like those, but I only recommend those after your weight loss journey has completed and you're in a sustainable mode, as sometimes they do have erythritol and other sugars, which does spike your insulin, thus removing the ability to be in autophagy and be able to create more ketones. Another common mistake I've come to notice is people tell me that they can never fast or they can't go this many hours without consuming food. And yes, I understand that pain, but you've also been taught that that's the solution and you need to make a change. The true answer is the longer you can fast and burn more ketones, the better it is for your body to be in autophagy and replace the proteins and actually heal itself while regulating your hormonal response. It is so important to just give it a try. It's okay to try for a bit and fail and then try again later. Just don't stop yourself from trying, because that's how you regress rather than move forward within this lifestyle. Now, the most important thing to understand as a tip is the salt tip. When you first begin in this lifestyle and you start using keto as your benefit, then what happens is your body's muscles start removing water. Why? Because carbs within your muscles, the glycogen stored, are what actually hold water within your body, and that's why many of us are so inflamed, right? So if you do this right and you start efficiently, you will burn a lot of that water off right away. And as your body gets rid of that water, you need a new way to store it. And that's where the salt comes in. And that's very, very important. Anytime you're tired, you're getting some headaches, just take some salt, specifically pink Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt. Okay? Now, I hope this video made sense, can get you at least the starting push, start doing this keto lifestyle, and hopefully give you the same weight loss results that I'm getting and many of our customers and friends are getting. And you can do it from home too. Just be patient. And remember, if you fail, it's not the end. It just means you get up and you try again, because anybody can do this. Now make sure you're subscribed, as I'm going to get more videos out just like this, walking you through it. And if you've got any questions, ideas, please comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for following, and I'll see you on the next one.